Hello, Mr. Horse here. In this video, I would like to show you guitar exercise 4.5, number 5. So the last couple of guitar exercises, they are really, anyway, I don't know what's the right word to describe it. I mean, it's just nonsensical, right? I mean, then really nonsense. I mean, playing all the way up here. I mean, anyway, so that was the 4 vertical progressions, right? We're connecting. Okay, for example, right? We were doing, for example, this. And then, what we were doing, So those are the vertical ones, okay? Now, of course, we need to be able to do both. We need to be able to, to move comfortably in both directions. Either, vertical, up and down, or going across the guitar fingerboard. And as I already declared several times, that it's harder, when you are doing the vertical, because the movement, it's just, a lot more movement in terms of the distance of it, of the movement of your fingers. When you move vertically, it's greater, the distance is greater than when you move horizontally. Therefore, it's going to be more challenging when you move, vertically. So that's the thing, right? So we did 4 vertical, very hard ones, because it's involving the peak of the mountain. That's better. So now we are going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4. We are going to work on the 6 horizontal crossings. Crossing the universe of guitar. I mean, you can cross the universe this way vertically, or you can cross the universe of guitar, horizontally. So we are crossing horizontal crossings of guitar universe. That is a good title. And they are easier because, we're not going to, do so much movement. I mean, so it's easier. That's good news. That's the first good news. The second good news is we are going to start from the easiest one to the hardest one, which is the right progression, of course. I mean, we don't want to start playing the very difficult one and then you will never get to the easy one, because, the most difficult one, you can't get it. You can play it. You can't master it. So this is really going to be a lot better. Okay, so I'm going to start with the road. Remember, there are 5 different roads. The road always traveled. So this is a bridge that we haven't played yet. I mean we did that bridge. Now that wasn't a very good one because here. So here you got a kind of a big gap between the two boards. There are four boards. So, but I mean, so you kind of have to hop from the first board to the second board, right? But then there's a better bridge, which is if you start from this point. This is a better bridge. They're closer together, right? But we're going to introduce this other connection. So we are going to play. We're not going to start from this end, this bank. We're going to have to jump on the bank. This is the river, right? This is the river of guitar, right? So you have to jump onto the first board, which is right here. Okay. So I'm playing this, the third fret of the second string and the fourth fret of the third string, and I'm using my not this one, sorry. No. I'm sorry, so sorry. These two are difficult to separate, and these two are very difficult to separate, too. I mean, even more. But sometimes this two, I mean, if I want my ring finger, that should be my ring finger. The middle finger, that's the middle finger. So I'm using my ring finger to do the pull on. So okay, so see, I don't play the first, string. That's why I say you have to jump over, right? Down. Still four, Because you cannot find this chord over here on track one. That's why we skip track one. We just jump over. So only those people who are healthy can do this jump over, because you have to jump. I mean, if you are not healthy or you're weak, then. Okay, so so this is the first. We're gonna do the same thing as the first four. We're gonna do it. Double treble, and then I'm gonna do. That's 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, and then we're gonna do. 1, 2, 2, 1, and the last one. 1, 2, 1, 2, and then. And recap. So after the 5 different, go back to the first one. Okay, so this is a very easy one. Everybody play these notes. So this is the road always travel. mean, you can interpret. Anyway, let's just fooling around. I'm using a different finger. I mean, it's just enjoy your practice. American Pie, huh? You remember this American Pie?